Hello everyone, myself Anil Kumar. Today in this video I am going to discuss the topic that is the product design and the product development. So these two things are required to understand. For any kind of the product to be developed, that requires the first step under the heading of the product design. Now, let me start from the very beginning, the meaning of the product design. The product design is the process where the designers use to blend user needs with business goals to help brands make consistently successful products. Now, how they use to frame these designs? To frame these designs of the product, we are required some kind of the factors. On the basis of those factors, a good designer must show those kind of the factors under the designs. And these factors are aesthetic ability, functionality, instinctive, simplicity, and innovative. It means to say that product designers work to optimize the user experience in the solution they make for their users and help their brands by making products sustainable for longer term business needs. Now, here, according to these all factors, we could create a good designs. A designer must include under his designs following these all factors under the designs. आई मीन टू से दैट कि जब कभी भी हम लोग किसी प्रोडक्ट के डिजाइन को करते हैं या कोई डिजाइनर उसके डिजाइन्स को जब तैयार करता है तो उसमें इन सारे फैक्टर्स को इवेल्युएट किया जाता है. सबसे पहला जो फैक्टर है दैट इज द एस्थेटिक एबिलिटी. नाउ ये एस्थेटिक एबिलिटी होता क्या है, सबसे पहले इसको हम लोग समझ ले. ये ऐसे इसको हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि a particular theory or conceptions of the beauty or art. It means to say that the conceptions that had been created, it should be involved along with the beauty as well as the art. And we all know that the art here means involvement of your conceptions. कि आप कैसे सोचते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को कैसे बनाना है, कैसे लोगों को ये अच्छा दिखेगा, इसके बारे में ये एस्थेटिक एबिलिटीज को यूज करके हम इसको तैयार करते हैं. दूसरी जो फैक्टर्स होती है दैट इज द फंक्शनैलिटी. हम उसके फंक्शनल एस्पेक्ट्स को इवैल्यूएट करते हैं कि ये काम कैसे करेगा, उसके फंक्शंस की क्या प्रक्रिया होगी, और फंक्शनैलिटीज को हम प्रायोरिटीज बेस पे अपने डिजाइन्स का हिस्सा बनाते हैं. इंस्टिंक्टिव होने का मतलब कि ही वन शुड हैव द इंटरेस्ट इन दैट. अगर उसकी इंस्टिंक्ट नहीं होगी उस तरह की तो ही कैनॉट क्रिएट एनी काइंड ऑफ द न्यू थिंग्स, और इवन ही कैनॉट चेंज द एग्जिस्टिंग थिंग्स ऑल्सो. एंड सिंप्लिसिटी, द प्रोडक्ट डिजाइन शुड बी रिवेल along with the simplicity. Simplicity होने का मतलब that does not only mean कि the simple one. Simplicity होने का मतलब कि with each and every respect of the product that must be accessible with the customer, and that goes for the simplicity kind of the factor. Now the innovative, the designs must be contains with innovative or the creative ideas. It should be the customer must feel after the use of that kind of the product that it is a kind of the creativity that had with the kind of the product. And these all are required for a good product designers. They should have this kind of the quality, then only we could be able to frame a very good design for the product. Here, without simplicity, a product will never be able to attract the customer. And this is very, very important point. Simple, as I told earlier also, simple does not only means it look like the simple. It should be accessible also. It should be accessible also. और उसको use करना आसान हो, उसको देखना एक स्मूथ तरीके से हम उसको प्रक्रियाओं को पूरा कर सकें, उसको यूज में ला सकें, उसको होल्ड कर सकें, उसकी जो देख रेख है उसको कर सकें, उसकी मेंटेनेंस को कर सकें. दिस ऑल इंक्लूड्स फॉर द सिंप्लिसिटी काइंड ऑफ द थिंग्स. नाउ इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट शुड बी ऑफर समथिंग न्यू and revolutionary to connect with the consumer. Unless and until the product does not have the creativity, that does not have the innovative ideas along with that kind of the product, the customer does not like that kind of the product. Once the creativity, once the innovations had been included along with the product, that product must have the guarantee to success under the market scenario. And the people, the customer used to like those kind of the product. Say for example, the example, smart watches, they have created something, they have added the features which is very innovative, like you can check out your heartbeats, right, like you can check out your impulses, pulses. तो ये सारी फीचर्स, इवन यू कैन कैलकुलेट योर द ब्लड प्रेशर्स. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ द इनोवेटिव थिंग्स दैट मस्ट बी अट्रैक्टेड बाय द कंज्यूमर्स, एंड दिस इज हाउ द इनोवेटिव innovations play a very crucial role under the design sweep of the any kind of the product. Now the second part, as I told, there are two parts of the whole kind of the things, the whole kind of the concept. That one is product design and another is product development. Now we are going to discuss about the product development, and here we could discuss about the origin and meanings, then concept, and after that I would like to include the objectives of the product development, and finally we could be conclude with the product development process. Now we could be start with the origin and meaning. Now product development means what? It refers to the process of designing, creating, testing and bringing a new product or services to the market. हम जब कभी भी किसी न्यू प्रोडक्ट को हम क्या करते हैं, उसको क्रिएट करते हैं, उसके डिजाइन्स करते हैं, क्रिएट करते हैं, टेस्टिंग करते हैं और एक न्यू प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज के फॉर्म में उसको मार्केट में लाते हैं, एंड दैट कुड बी सेड एज न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट, और उसी को हम लोग न्यू प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट बोलते हैं. दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ओरिजिनेटेड फ्रॉम द नीड फॉर बिजनेसेस टू इनोवेट, मीट changing customer demands and stay competitive in their respective industries. और ये क्यों हमें न्यू प्रोडक्ट की आवश्यकता होती है, हम कैसे, ये हमारे बिजनेसेस की आवश्यकता होती है जहां पे इनोवेशंस होते हैं, और टू मीट द कस्टमर डिमांड, उनके नीड को, उनके वांट्स को, उनके डिजायर को हम लोग क्या करते हैं, फाइंड आउट करते हैं, एंड हम लोग नए प्रोडक्ट के आधार पे, प्रोडक्ट और सर्विसेज से हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उनके नीड, वांट्स और डिजायर को फुलफिल करते हैं. नाउ द कॉन्सेप्ट इन्वॉल्व इन द प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. What kind of the concepts, what all concepts that involved under the product development process? Now the concept involved the innovation, the market research, design and prototyping, the testing and validation, production, marketing and launching, and then life cycle management. So these all kind of the concepts that involves under the product development. How it goes through? Innovations always required. As I told earlier also, without innovation, without creativity, we cannot attract the customer or the consumer. Now the market research, we all know it is a continuous process. Why it is continuous? Because unless and until we cannot define the market, we cannot define the need, wants and desire of the customer and consumer, we cannot ever develop a kind of the product. For any kind of the information or any kind of the innovations, that all requires the market research, and only on the basis of market research only we are able to create such a kind of the blend of the product.